installation I've created is the entire interaction between people, space, and reflective surfaces. The nanotechnology we are using, that have been developed by Sans Souci, permits us to go into different ways of expressing this and alter the vision through the reflection itself. The materials are quite magical. Glass is sand, and sand being melted, becoming liquid, and liquid becomes surface. These surfaces are then coated with different techniques and different technology, with different way of etching the surface or engraving it or cover it or coating it. This gives us the possibility to create multiple depths over from the same surface and the same plane. Interni is not a magazine. Interni is an institute. It's an encyclopedia of past, present, future. We can say that the old sentence that all rails and all ways and all roads are leading to Rome actually has changed, and they are leading to Milan.